Hello, welcome to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. Our summer open house is coming up, not this weekend, July 4th weekend, but the following 2 weekends, the 10th, 11th, and 12th, and the 17th, 18th, and 19th. Our open houses are always Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, 9 to 5. And you might not love hot weather, come out early. But, you know, this is starting the peak of summer bloom, and there are a lot of plants in the garden that are thrilled that it's finally hot and humid. We don't have a really large collection of daylilies, but some of them are at their peak. Some of the later ones are just starting, but there's over 200 different cultivars out of over 10,000 if possible. Autumn Minaret is a late one that is just starting. Some of the big ornamental grasses are glorious. A few of the ginger lilies are already starting. There are some, all the different species and hybrid lilies vary in their time. Some have been done for a really long time, but some of the Orient pet hybrids between the oriental lilies and the trumpet lilies, they gave it the clumsy cultivar name Orient pet, Orienpet. They're really glorious. Of course, half semi-tropical things like cannas and bananas are just celebrating the hot weather. The bananas are just growing like weeds now that's warm enough for them. They don't like those wimpy 80-degree days. They're really happy when we get into the 90s. But all the bananas except for 2 are ones that are fully winter hardy in the garden. Of course, a lot of the big hybrid hibiscus are really off to a nice start. Late in the afternoon on a hot day is not the best time to view them, but first thing in the morning and up until the heat of late afternoon, they're really, really glorious, and they bloom for many, many weeks, so probably 6 weeks or more. These are all buds that'll be in bloom over the next month or so. The garden is, the pseudo or sun garden is full of things at their best in the summer months, but there's other things like conifers and other evergreens that have a presence in the garden year round, but they're at a lot even this time of year. It's a sort of one of many peaks for the crinum lilies. We need to find one for this video.
Super Ellen right there.
Oh yeah, that's really looking good. This gigantic hybrid one, Super Ellen, is a great big thing. Well, let's go down this side. Watchdog Walk. This is a gigantic crinum lily, one called Super Ellen. Some plant breeder took the old variety Ellen Bosanquet, which looks very similar in bloom and always seemed like a big thing to me, but they added another foot or 18 inches to the height of the flower scape. They're close to being 5 feet tall. The plant is absolutely monstrous, but most crinums are a little bit smaller. There are a few that are significantly smaller. Many different agapanthus, the lily of the Nile, in bloom in the garden. Many different selections, predominantly blue, but a few white ones, a few purple ones. One twister, which is white with a blue center to the flower, so it's a fun-looking bicolor. So You know, so many things in the garden. Come out early if you don't like the hot weather. Even though this is a full sun garden, the tall trees that border our garden to the east side keep a good part of this garden shaded until mid-morning or so. But then we have extensive shade gardens that are probably 15 degrees cooler on a hot day like today. So please come out for our open house. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you then.